Good morning, my dear students. Now we are going to discuss exercise 6.1. For that, first problem is given. What will be the unit digit of the square of the following number? So consider the unit digit. So find one squared value. One squared value is 1. That is 1 square is 1 into 1. That is 1. So unit digit of 81 is 1. Similarly, consider the unit digit 2. Here we have 2 squared. 2 squared value 4. The unit digit of 272 is 4. Like that, we can find the unit digit of other numbers also. Similarly, 9. Consider the unit digit 9 here. So, 9 squared value 81. So, unit digit is 1 only, not 81. So, 10th place is 8. 1's place is 1. So, unit digit 1. Similarly, 3853. So, consider 3. 3 squared value 9. So unit digit is 9. Similarly 1 2 3 4, consider 4 squared value 16. So unit digit 6. So unit digit of 1 2 3 4 is 6. Similarly 2 6 3 8 7, unit digit 7. So 7 squared value 49. So unit digit 9. Similarly 5 2 6 9 8. So unit digit 8. So here 8 squared value 64. So unit digit 4. So unit digit of the square of the number 52698 is 4. 99880. So 0. So 0 squared equal to 0 into 0, 0 only. So unit digit of the number 99880 is 0. The square of this number, we have one number, but the unit digit only we are going to consider. So that unit digit also 0. So similarly, consider the unit digit of the given number. Find the square of this number. No need to find the square of the whole number. Just find the square of the unit number. So 6 squared value just 36. So unit digit is 6. 5555 given. Consider only the last number 5. So 5 squared value 25. So here unit digit of this 25 is 5 only. So the square number, the square of this number have the unit digit 5. Like that we need to write. So you can give your answer as write the number 81272. Write the square of the number. No need to write the square of the number. The bigger number no need. But consider unit digit of this number 1 2 9 3. Next square of the unit number. Then next we can write the only unit digit of the square of the number. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 9 square is 81. No, consider 1. So this is the difference for this. 4 only one number, so you can give 81. So consider only 1. Here 3 no problem. 3 square 9, so unit digit 9. 4 16, no, so 6 is the unit digit. Right. Now consider second problem. The following numbers are obviously not a perfect square number. Give reason. If a number ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. Suppose the number ends with, that is unit digit have 2, 3, 7, 8. Means the number definitely is not a perfect square number. And another one, a number ends with odd number of 0. Odd number of 0. That is 1, 2, 3. Odd number of 0. So implies this is not a perfect square number. So 7, no, so it's not a perfect square number. 3, so automatically it's not a perfect square number. Here the unit digit 8, so it's not a perfect square number. Here the unit digit 2, it's not a perfect square number. Here consider 0, but anyway 0, 0, 0. We have odd number, 3 zeros, no, 3 zeros. So automatically it's also not a perfect. 4 zeros, 2 zeros, 6 zeros, 8 zeros, like that. Even number of 0 means it possibly a perfect square number. And 8 9 2, 2 no, not possible to end with 2. A square number not possible to end with 2 7 2 3 7 8. Similarly, odd number of 0, 0, 0, 0. So it is also not a perfect square number. 50, 50, 50. Don't consider 50, 50, 50. It's a number. Consider the unit digit 0. So only 1 0. Odd number of 0. So it's also not a perfect square number. You can form the table and give your answer. Right. The squares of which of the following would be odd number? So if you have unit digit 431, the square of odd number is always odd number. The square of even number is always even number. Like that, we can give your answer. 1 squared value 1, so it's odd. 6 squared value 36, so it's even. 9 squared value 81, so consider the unit digit only. Here 81, so it's also odd. So 4 squared value 16, so it ends with even number. So it's an even number. The square of the number is odd or even by the number itself. It's odd means the square of the number is also odd. The number itself is even, then square of the number is also even number. How can we check? By using the last unit digit. If the last unit, that is unit digit, odd number, then square of the number also odd number. This is the idea for this problem. Right. Next, observe the following pattern and define. So 11 square. In between 1 1 you have 2. 1 0 1. Here middle right 2 and left no 1 0 0 1 0 1. 1 0 0 1 no middle right. How many 0? Here just consider 2. Only 2. Here how many 0? 1 0. So left side, right side 1 0, remaining 1 1. Here 2 zeros. So right 1 2. Here also 1 2. So 2 zeros left and right, and previously 1 1. It's one of the pattern. Here 1 with 4 0 1. So middle right 2. Then left side 4 0. Right side 4 0. And left side 1, right side 1. Like that, fill this blank. Here 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros no. Middle right 2. Here 6 zeros right. Here also 6 zeros right. Left side and right side you need to write as 1. So this is one of the pattern. Fill the blanks. Right. Observe the following pattern and supply the missing numbers. Here 1 1 squared. So in between 1 1 you need to write 2. 1 0 1 squared. 1 0 2 0 1. In between middle 2 0 0 1. So there's both are same. Here 1 0 0 1. Then here 10 10 1. Next number given no. Here 1 1. 2 ones no. So middle 2 given. 2 ones, middle 2 given. Now 3 ones. 1 1 1. So middle 3. And we need to decrease number. So left side 0, right side 0. 3 no. Here 2, here 2. Left side 0, right side 0, and 1 1. So middle how many? 1 3. And left side 0, right side 0. Left side 2, right side 2. 0 0 1 1. Like that. Here like that. 1 2 3 4. 4 zeros. So middle right 4 and 0 0. Left 3, right 3. And 0 0. Left 2, right 2. And 0 0. Left 1, right 1. Like that, right? Here this number given, we need to fill this blank. Middle 5 no. 5. That's why we need to write 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So 5 1 1 2 3 4. Next 0 1. So 1 2 3 4 5. So end with 5. So 1 square like that. So 10 10 10 10 1. This is the answer for this one. Right side given, we need to write the left side. Right. Using the given pattern, find the missing number. Here check 1 square, 2 square plus 2 square. So 1 square value 1, 2 square value 4, 2 square value 4, no, 4 plus 1, 9. So that's why 3 square given. Next, 2, 3, 6. Don't consider this number, but consider only answer. So 2, 3, 6 ends with the 6, but here answer 7 square. 3 square, 4 square, 12 square. 12 square, no. So next number 13. So 13 square is given, like that, given one pattern. Right. Next 4 square, 5 square equal to 21 square. Just we can fill this no. Previous of 21 is 20. Therefore 20 square. Fill this one as 20. Next 5 square plus, here check 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. So 5, 6 only no. So 5 square plus 6 squared plus 30 squared equal to 31 squared. So we need to fill as 6 squared. That is 6. Already given a square value 6. 6 squared plus 7 squared here. 6, 7 no. Check 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 4 5s are 20. What number is possible? No, 6 no. 5 6 are 30. Here 6 7s are 6 into 7. 6 7s are 42. So that's why 42 square. 42 square equal to 43 square. This is the pattern. So like that we need to analyze this pattern, and using this we need to give our answer. Right. Without adding, find the sum. So the idea is count the number. Here 1 is, so first number should be 1 and the next number should be the odd number. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Consecutive odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7. Consecutive. Totally how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. No answer 5 square. So that is 25. Like that. So one can check the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 8. Consecutive numbers. Now count the numbers. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 no. So 10 squared. So 10 squared is 100. Like that. Right. Now check 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23. All are consecutive even number. Okay. Here last number 23. Don't consider this. Now count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No. So answer is 12 squared. That is 144. So 25, 100, 144 is the answer. So by adding this you can give your answer. Now the same type question is given. Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. So actually it's given the answer wrong. So for that express 49. So 49 is nothing but 7 odd numbers. No, 7 square. So now we need to write express 14 as a sum of 7. So 7 square, no, 7 numbers we need to write. So first number 1, second number 3, third number 5, next number 7, next number 9, next number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then plus 13. So 1 to 13. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. So is the expression of 7 odd number. Similarly, express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. 11 odd numbers, no. So 11 squared value 121. That's why 11 odd numbers given. So 11 numbers we need to write. 1 plus, 3 plus, 5 plus, 7 plus, 9 plus, 11. Don't start up to 11. Because 121 we need. So 11 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 3 up to 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So up to 21 we need to write. So this is the answer for express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. So idea previously given 7th problem now, that is reverse case. So here the sum is given, we need to find by using the count the number. Count 5 numbers, so 5 squared. 7 number means 7 squared. 14 numbers means 14 squared. Like that. Right. Next question. How many numbers lie between square of the following number? So first the idea is, here we have the idea n and n plus 1. What is meant by consecutive number? Next number. So 12, 13, 25, 26, 19, 100. Suppose 20, 25. They are not consecutive numbers. Don't consider this. So we are going to consider only consecutive number. If you have a consecutive number, then how many number lie between? So for example 3 squared and 4 squared. In between how many numbers? So 9 and 16. In between. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number. No. So here n square, that is 3 square given. No. So 3, we have 6 numbers. We can write 2 into 3. That is 6 numbers. So like that, here check which one is the minimum number. 12, 13. 12 no. So right answer is 2 into 12. That is 24 numbers. 24 numbers lies between 12 squared and 13 squared. How many numbers lie between square of the numbers? That is 12 squared, 13 squared. In between how many numbers? So that is answer to here n squared and n plus 1 whole square. In between we have 2n number. This is the answer. So 2 into small number 12. So 24. 25, 26 consecutive number. So 2 into 25, that is 50. Answer. 2 into consecutive number, 2 into 99, so 198. So 198 is the answer. So like that, we can find the numbers lies between square of the following numbers. Right. Next, write Pythagorean's triplet whose smallest number is 8. Write the Pythagorean triplet whose smallest number is 8. So the triplets are, suppose, consider the smaller, the triplets are Pythagorean's triplets are 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. These are the Pythagorean's triplet. So now, smallest number. So consider the smallest number as 2m or m square minus 1 or m square plus 1. It depends upon the number. So for that, suppose find the Pythagorean's triplet of the number 8. So Pythagorean's triplet, what is meant by Pythagorean's triplet? Suppose you have a right angle triangle. Now here 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 1 to 5 centimeter. So 5 squared equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. The sum of the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Implies it's called a Pythagorean triplet. So 25, 5 squared value 25, 3 squared value 9, 4 squared value 16. So 25 equal to 25. So the triplets are Pythagorean's triplets 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here 3, 4, 5. Which one is smallest one? 3. So smallest one is given 3. But here we are not going to write all the answers directly. We are going to use this idea. So the Pythagorean triplets are 2m, m squared minus 1 and m squared plus 1 is the Pythagorean triplet. So for that I am going to consider first 8. 8 is given. Now consider 2m equal to 8. One number, this is one number. So 2m is one number. So 2m. Therefore m equal to 4. Right. M squared minus 1 equal to 4 squared minus 1 equal to 16 minus 1 equal to 15. M squared plus 1. So 4 squared plus 1. 16 plus 1 equal to 17. Therefore, the triplets are, therefore, the Pythagorean triplets are First 2m, that is the number. Don't write 4. 4 is the m value. So m 15, 17. Right. The same way I am going to check. Suppose why we are choosing 2m? It's even number, no? So choose 2m equal to 8. Choose 2m equal to 8. Suppose m squared minus 1 equal to 8. It's also one of the number, means m squared equal to 8 plus 1. So 9. So now m squared equal to 9 means m equal to, we can write m squared equal to 9. Now 9 is perfect square number. 3 squared we can write. So m equal to 3. So m equal to 3. So m equal to 3 means 2m equal to 2 into 3. So 6. So 3, 6. Next. M squared plus 1. So m value 3, no. So 3 squared plus 1. So 9 plus 1. So 10. So now the Pythagorean triplets are, it's one of the number, no, 8. So 6 comma 8 comma 10. This is also the answer. So which one is the smallest number? 6. So that's why it's given m square minus 1. If you are consider answer 6, 8, 10. But 8 is not the smallest number of this. We tried, no. So here we consider m square minus 1, 8. No, answer 6, 8, 10. 6 is the smallest number, but 8 is not the smallest, no. So according this problem, this is the answer. Or according this problem, so now we choose an m square minus 1 is the smallest number. But we have answer 6, 8, 10. 6 is the smallest one, not 8. So it's not a correct answer for this question. So let us try 2m equal to 8. So now m equal to 4. We have answer 8, 15, 17. Now we have 2m equal to 8. No, 8 is the smallest number for matching. So 8, 15, 17 is the Pythagorean triplets. So this is the answer. So that's why your example 2 given 2 I have answered. So first one is wrong. Next, find the Pythagorean triplets in which one number is 12. So find the Pythagoras number, which one is 12. Now consider 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. It's a Pythagoras triplet. So 2m equal to, suppose 12. M equal to 12 divided by 2, that is 6. M square minus 1 equal to 6 squared minus 1. So 36 minus 1. So 35. M squared plus 1. 6 squared plus 1. So 6 squared value 36 plus 1. So 37. Now 6 comma 35 comma 37 are Pythagorean triplet. Right? Neatly. The Pythagorean triplets are this thing. So but notice that we choose into smallest number satisfied. Now check by another way. Suppose m squared minus 1. Suppose I am choosing this way. M squared minus 1 equal to m squared minus 1 equal to 12. Now m squared equal to 12 plus 1. So m squared equal to 13. No, 13 is not a perfect square number. So we may not choose this way. Similarly, m squared plus 1 equal to, we can choose as 12. M squared equal to 12 minus 1. So m squared equal to 11. This is also not a perfect square number. No, we may not choose. So choose 2m equal to 12. This is the possible way. So first, initially, our idea, choose the given number is 2m. Then find m value, find m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. From this we can give answer and check whether it is the smallest number or not. Right. For that, your exercise problems. Find the square of the following numbers. Find the square of the following numbers. Right. I am going to find the square of the following numbers by using this way, because First problem 32 equal to 32 is nothing but 30 plus 2 the whole square. Square of the number you can find it directly, but use the idea a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square form. So here 32 given, no. So therefore a equal to 30, b equal to 12. So therefore 32 squared equal to 30 plus 2 the whole square, like that, right? So 30 squared plus 2 into 30 into 2, a value 30, b value 2 plus 2 square. So 30 square, no. So 30 into 3 3s are 9, so remaining 2 0. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 0 plus 4. Now addition 900, 120, 4. So 4 to 10. So 10 to 4. So you can find 32 into 32 directly, but use this way. Use a plus b the whole square form. Second, 35. You may choose from 40, but you are going to use 30 plus 5 the whole square. So this is a equal to 30 and b equal to 5. So 30 plus 5 the whole square equal to a square. So 30 square plus 2ab plus b square. So 900 plus 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Already 30 plus 25. So addition 900, 300, 25. 5, 2, 12. So 1, 2, 2, 5. This is the answer. Similarly, third, 86 whole square equal to 80 plus 6 the whole square. So 80 squared plus 2 into 80 into 6 plus 6 squared. So this one 1600. So this product 2 8s are 16. 96 plus 36. So 1600, 960, 366, 9, 5, remaining 1, 2596. This is the answer for 86 square. Now 93. So 90 plus 3 the whole square. Using this, give your answer. 71. 70 plus 1 the whole square. Using this, give your answer. 46. 40 plus 6 the whole square. Using this, give your answer. Okay. Right. Now write Pythagoras triplet whose one member is number is 6. So one number is 6. No, check one number, smallest number, bigger number. Just use 2m equal to 6. So m equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. Now m square minus 1. Fine. The Pythagorean triplets are, you know that 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1. So for that m value 3. So 3 square minus 1. So 9 minus 1 8. M square plus 1. So 3 square plus 1. So 9 plus 1 10. The Pythagorean triplets are 3 comma 8 comma 10. Right. Next 14. Next 14. We may know that 2m equal to 14. M equal to 14 by 2. So 7. Then m square minus n equal to 7 square minus 1. So 49 minus 1, 48. M square plus 1. 7 square plus 1. So 49 plus 1. So 50. So 7, 48, 50. This is the Pythagorean similarities of this number. So like that, you can do the remaining two problems. So consider third problem. 2m equal to 16. Find m value. M equal to 8. No, using this find other two number. Next, fourth problem. 2m equal to 18. M equal to 9. Just m square minus 1, m square plus 1 find and find the answer. Thank you.